Kuna kiatho kinene muno kia ukungwira 6th edition ya Thwana Education Day ira yukarika tariki 23 Friday this year, na kiatho ki ikia kuretana bombe amo baraba bwithite bugwega the best 200 children bawodi ya Thwana baba etete skuru inene kuma Mary Hill, baba in over 400 marks, 300, and all that. Itombe to about Dranye Baremwe, na Chiaribo, na Rimoba, all the schools within Thwana, Tomba ko reward Anaba, Toba Maganduko, Toba mattresses, Toba Meringeti, Toba buckets, na Toba cash awards, Kweba kona 30,000, Kweba 20,000, Kweba 10,000. Na nyari mo nabo tuba motivate para bombete kwithira baina mean scores inene na also tumba kwa trophies ke school ra chumbete kuwithia exemplary well neto mini batu in our area. The only cash crop that we know ikithomo tute mayani tute mira tute all those other things, but barapa kuumba kuatilo na bakaomba kuthoma through bursaries, through private initiatives, through encouragement. Itukona baita ba tetherinya families yo kumba utana around the fortunes. So itukuri antuba pa ndi bubu wega tuetera equity, tuetera cooperative bank, tuetera the institutions, tuetera thirikari akwithira nukumba kuthomethia anabaku na watiariro na something. Encourage one girl, encourage one boy, encourage a certain orphan, nturene ku kana nyanturene mtote kumenya completely na nye kwethira te kwenda kura. It shouldn't be about kuromba kura, it should be about empower a generation, empower humanity. Kenda tumbo otethia this generation, non tukuna so many children bakurira now mwana aitwa national school aka frustrated akendera tita nya school at school, and then we continue having more and more problems. Inyeto kabwithia barabara chionde tia Meru, inyeto wakandagacha chionde to wakairasi sibitari and everything else that to it and development tukarea ku develop kithomo equalizer. And I encourage anybody urambikio support education, do it. Tilasma withira ni ana maana ile wetete aboto wetete ana maana ile. You can have a small group, you can have one, you can even sponsor mwana omo kuri nyantu baile kana nyantu batatu kana nyantu 10 kana group weme ekawe kurwa mana na mwana omwe emo support. That way together tuke put the kira itawa social responsibility.